Take a moment to check out the 2022 Ford F-150. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, wood grain interior trim, dual zone AC, power driver seat, aluminum wheels. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.